getting hungry.
I declare these fry cook games open!
Yeah. I have you now.
Time for a well-balanced breakfast. This isn't what I had in mind. Let me just grab my pants. Guess I'm not wearing any pants today. I guess I'm not using the door either. See you later, Gary. I guess. Meow. You're right, Gary. There is something wrong with me. Squidward! Squidward! Wake up! I need some help! Squidward! Help!
Be quiet, Spongebob.
Help!
SpongeBob, what are you doing? I'm talking to you. SpongeBob, SpongeBob, are you mad? Shut your mouth, you mediocre clarinet player.
Mediocre?
You pretentious little insignificant artist. Your sniveling creations are worth less than a protozoan's waste.
Hey, SpongeBob.
Hey, Patrick.
Hey, SpongeBob, could you give me change for a quarter?
No problem. Here you go.
Thanks.
Getting kind of bored.
It looks like it's time for your next lesson, young man.
Now listen to me. I'm not dumb. I have a brain. See? Here's a picture of it.
That must be actual size.
No! It's normal size and fully functional. Watch. 2 + 2 = 4.
Oh, son, you taught him math too.
No!
Oh, now he's short-circuiting. You must have taught him a little too much.
Freedom! Freedom!
You'll never catch me!
What?
Blasted exercise craze!
Ah!